What's up? What's up, guys? Yeah, now I have brought you a very good idea. I have brought you a very good idea. Um, if you want to enter the market, you are either looking for a perfect entry, which will make you have a lot of money, or which will yield you a lot of profit in the trading. So the main factors, the main thing that are to be considered when you have to enter maybe is with a sniper entry is the entry that is, you know, the entry that is like just more than enough that you will accumulate a lot of profits. You understand? Yeah. So I will explain the points. Actually, let me just review the points that you have to be entering. It's on resistance and support point. On resistance or support point or key level. But let me explain first these two: support and resistance. Yeah, these are the 2 points where you can enter the trade, and you have to be entering in these steps. You know, yeah. So let me define first a support. What is a support? Do you know that the price will be going up, but it won't go up for a long time? There is one point, a certain point in time, it will turn back, and the price will be falling down. It will go up, and at a certain point in time, it will turn back. You understand? So I have brought you this graph. Have you seen? This is the graph. So I will explain more on resistance and support, plus key level. Do you understand me? Yeah. So what is a support? Okay. A support occurs when falling price stop, not just stop, but then change the direction. When the price was falling, that price was falling down, and it has reached at a minimum level. It has stopped. It has stopped and now change the direction. Change the direction in an opposite way. It was falling and it has reached a certain point, has reached like the support the lower level, support level, then it will bounce back. It will be going up. Do you understand? So the below point, it has formed like this one. So the below point, this very below point, it is called the support. It supports the prices. Yeah? Okay, falling prices stop and it changes the direction. You understand? And begin to rise again. What is that? That is a stop loss. That is a support. Yeah. So we have resistance. Okay. Let me add this other point on this very same support. Support is often viewed as a floor. It should be. It is as a floor, not a ceiling resistance. While support is a floor. Understand? Yeah. Support is often viewed as a floor, which is supporting or holding up the prices. It is being viewed as a floor. It is a floor where the prices will be bouncing back. And most of the times, it might be bounced for 3 times, 4 times, 2 times in the very same support level. Okay, so let me go to the graph. Let me go to the graph itself, the chart. What is it saying? Okay, now I'm here. Boom 500 index. Boom 500 index. Yeah. So this graph has support and resistance. Understand? Support and resistance. At this very same area, let me show you the support. The price was falling down from this level. Have you seen this doji? Now, from this doji, the next candle was falling and falling and falling down. You understand? So, for you to determine the support level, you have to see the past charts. You have to see the past. Okay, what happens here in graph is that you analyzing the past in order to predict the future. You just analyze the past and in order to predict the future, because history repeats itself. History repeats itself as they say. So I will put a rectangle. Let me put a rectangle here, guys. Here, where are you? Okay, yeah. So this support This is the support area. How do I know that this is a support area? The prices start falling down from this level. Falling down, falling with vehement, falling down till it reaches this point. Then rise again. It rise again. Then here it started falling down again, falling down, and reaches the very same level point. You understand? So this is a support. Do you understand? This point is a support. Why? Because the price does not penetrate through. If it has reached in this box, it means it will go up. Understand? But it's not always the case that it will go up. But most of the times, it is having the this chart is having the support. Is having the support and the resistance. So it has the support here. It has the support here. So here, like here, the price is going down. It will go down and maybe reach in this box. This box I have drawn, like I'm doing analysis here. If prices has gone down and reached in this box, probably it might reverse. Why? Why am I saying this? This is because this is a support level. Understand? The below point is the support. It supports all the prices. The prices are bouncing back on that level. When it reach at that level, it bounces back. When it reach at that, it bounces back. Yeah. So this is a support. This is a support. Have you seen this support? Let me just continue drawing it. Have you seen now this support? This is a very big support, very major support level. This is a very major support level because prices here was just consolidating. It wasn't crossing. It was going down like down. It was just consolidating, then going up. When it reaches here, it resists, which means the sellers are losing potential, they are losing momentum. Then the buyers are taking up the price and pushing the market up, pushing the market up. This is the battle between the sellers and buyers. Those who are buying more or those who are selling more, the market will follow them. Yeah. So, for example, here, those big boys I was saying, the banks are coming at this point. At this point, the banks are coming and sell all their shares, or all their stocks here. Or if it is forex, all the money they have sold here. If the banks have sold here, banks are holding a lot of money than an individual can hold. So an individual cannot influence the price, as I have already said. An individual cannot influence the price. You will just lose your money, lose your money, lose your money. Go with the trend, go with the banks, go with the big boys who are buying and selling in the market. You understand? Here, this is significant. This is a very significant change, a very significant bearish, which means that here a big thing happened. What is that big thing? Maybe the banks sold. The banks sold, or a lot of the sellers. There are a lot of companies. These companies sold at this level. After selling, they influence the market to go down, to go down. You understand? Yeah. So this is the support area and support level. Do you get me? Get me very right here, guys. Very right. This graph is well defined. Well defined. Listen. Yeah. So in the next videos, I'll be talking about these things like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, because these prices will not always be informed. They will not always be informing support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. No, it can go up and up. For example, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, this nowadays, it has reached the minimum value. Just, I think 1 day ago, it was around $15,000. Bitcoin, one Bitcoin, $15,000. which means it has breaked the support points, a lot of supports, previous support. It has break till it has reached the level of $15,000. Do you understand? So let me talk about resistance. That was the support. Okay, as I already said that the price cannot be falling down, and down eternity. No. There is that point in time where the price came back and started going up again. Do you understand? So that very same point, it is going up. Yeah, you're following the market. Going up, following the market. And it has reached that level. That level, most of the market goes down when it reaches that level. That is now upper level. Resistance is the price level where rising prices stop. The price was rising and it will stop here. It will go back. It will rise again and it stop here. It will go back. So do you see? You can even predict that now it has reached at the resistance. Now it will go back. Do you understand? Yeah. So resistance is found at the top, while support is found at the bottom. Support, it is supporting the prices, while resistance, it resists the prices going up. They are going up. Do you get me, guys? So this is the graph at the very same point here. When I take this one and put here, this place is a very big resistance. Prices resist here, it go to pass through here. It just went down. Started going up, it resists here to go up. It started falling down. Understand? Falling down like this one, like this one. Here it is going like this one, reaching in this box, falling down again. It tried maybe just reached at this line, falling down again. So what can you say about this point? This point has a high resistance. This the very same point has a high, very, very high resistance. The prices resist, they cannot penetrate. You understand? While support, the prices cannot go below that point. It will be just be bouncing back. So, as I already said, that this is a very good time for you to trade. This is a very good time for you to trade. Okay, for example, the prices are now the prices is falling down. It's falling down like this. So this price will reach, might reach in this box. After reaching in this box, what will I be looking? Will I be looking for selling here? No. Why? Just upon looking at this resistance point, look for a buy because you have reached at the lowest level where the sellers doesn't have power to drag it down like that. You understand? Yeah. So at this point, when the price is reached in this box, it will go up. Probably it will go up. You understand? Or sometimes it will be still consolidating here, but going with the downward trend and reach the box and it shoot up. So, at what time do you enter the trade here? When these prices have just hit this line, just hitting this line, then you enter for a trade. Is it like that, guys? See? No. It's not like that. You have to wait for confirmation. Yes, it is at the key level, but be to the safest place. 100%, alright, sorry, 99.9%, you have to be at the safe place. Very safe, you know. I ban it. Okay, after reaching here, look for maybe a doji. A doji is a candlestick which is like, okay, like this one. This one is a doji. How do I know? Have you seen? In this period, sellers and buyers were just competing, pushing it like this, pulling like this, pushing, and lastly it just ended like, no, there is no one who has more power than the other. So it's just ended like a doji. So have you seen just after the doji? Just after the doji candlestick, this candlestick, doji candlestick, bullish, green engulfing candle, bullish, green engulfing doji explains more about things. It explains more. So if you see, let me show you where the candles. Okay, I will explain maybe in another time. Okay, we have two candles, two types of candles. One, we have a morning star and evening star. These two candles explains more about things. We have a morning star and evening star. Okay, this is a very good example. Have you seen here? This is an evening star. An evening star. So what is this showing us? What is this showing us? Please follow these things I'm telling you. Follow these things. Watch all my videos from first video to second video up to what I'm doing right now in my project. Just follow it, you will understand the market and you will make it, guys. I'm telling you. Yeah. So this is an evening star. An evening star, we have morning star and evening. This is an evening star. An evening star, it portrays that the market, it shows or it will predict that the market is going somehow down, something like that. But I will explain more in some videos, guys. Yeah. So this is it, guys. Support and resistance. Today, I will focus much on this support and resistance. I focus much in these two things because they are very crucial things. They are very crucial things. Yeah. These are the good points where a person can enter the trade. These are very good points, guys. You get me? Yeah. So have you seen? That was the 15 minutes. Now this is a 4 hour. That 15 minutes we analyzed like this one. Have you seen this? The 4 1. We have a resistance here, a resistance here. Sorry, support. We have a support, support, support. Understand? These are supporting points. You get me? But when you go to 4 hours time frame, when you go to 4 hour time frame, you can see that the market is consolidating. Here, you can say, oh, no, the market is consolidating. That's why I always say that you have to analyze the market on the long time frame first. If you have analyzed in the wrong time frame, go into those 15 minutes and enter with a sniper. Look for a good entry in those 15 minutes, but analyze the chart of 4 hours. You get me, guys? Yeah, I have talked much about support and resistance. So let me talk about key points. Key point now. Okay, let me take a tool here. Yeah, we have a lot of drawing tools. Drawing tools, a lot of them. Yeah, I like the rectangle. Okay, guys, have you seen this point? This point, I have put a circle here. Have you seen this point? Okay, let me go right. I will go to the right side. Have you ever seen some other point which are below than this one? No. Here we can find it, but it will take us long or something like that, you know. But this is the lowest point of this time frame, like right now. This is the lowest point. This lowest point is the key point. The resistance is just being formed within key points. The support level will be they will be forming in this within just above the key level. Key level is just below, down there. Understand? But support will be forming like something like that. So if it has reached at the key level, yeah, look for a trade. Trade on the key level, and it has the key level is having more. The key levels have more resistance or support that the market will go back. You know, more. It has more of that potential that it will make the market to change the direction. The market was going down, and it has reached at the key level. The market might be going up, but it's not always. That's why look for other confirmation. Other confirmation. Does your indicator tell that the market is going up? Yes. Are you at the key point? Yes. Okay. At that key point, is a doji formed? Is a doji formed? Or is an morning star formed that portrays that the market will go up? Yes. Take a risk. Take a risk and you will make money. There are some risks which you already know that, oh, this risk, I will make money out of this risk. You understand? So, this is, oh, what about in terms of this support and resistance? If you just make up your mind, focus on this video, grasp each and every concept I'm telling you here. I'm telling you that you will make it in trading. You will make it exactly in trading because people are making money here, guys. People are making money. Yeah, so let me see MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader. I like the sound when I'm just entering the MetaTrader 5 because it was so good because it is just, it's just crazy, something like that. That sound. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now we are in MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. Let me see God. Have you seen what is God doing here? God is going up. God is going up. Do you see? Here, consolidating here. Leave the market. Don't touch the market. It's not your friend now. It's not your friend. Long bullish engulfing candle. Put your buy here. Put your buy here or sometime somewhere here. Put your stop loss just below here. Understand? Because you're taking a risk. It might go up or down. Put your stop loss just down. Put your take profit 2 times your stop loss. Your take profit should be 2 times or 3 times, but 2 times is recommended. 2 times your stop loss. It means that if you lose $2, but when you are going to win that trade, you will make $4. And this is a good standard. You understand? Yeah, so we have difference here in trading on the major currency. Most. Yeah, so these major currencies are so good, guys. So, do you see? Yeah, let me get this. You see in that point? This point. This point, let me show you this point. This point might be the resistance. Actually, it is the resistance. How do I know? Okay, let me go this one. Have you seen the market here? Here it bounced at this, but it crossed our line. It crossed our line. That is not a good resistance. Let us look for another resistance. Let us look for another resistance, guys. Let me see. Have you seen this? Oh, yeah, sure. This one is a very big resistance for you at this point in time. The first resistance, market went up. Second resistance, market went up. Third resistance, market went down. Understand? So this is a very big resistance. Mm, yeah, guys. So what I can tell you guys is that let us enter the market at the key points or support resistance. Others they call demand and supply. Demand and supply. Yeah, so supply, for example, support is down here. It is the supply. And here, okay, right, yeah. So this is what I have in this video. This is what I wanted to tell you guys. Yeah, so watch my video to the end, then have knowledge, enter the market, don't hesitate. If you feel like you are more equipped, you know all the things, don't hesitate, enter the market. Yeah, so in this video, I was just explaining about this support and resistance and key points. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.